What's good, YouTube? Today we're back with another video, and on today's episode of how to become a reseller, we are going to be covering accounting, tracking, and all of that back end when it comes to business. Now, with a lot of small businesses and reselling, this is what's needed, and businesses in general. I wasn't told this when I first started making money, and I'm sure you weren't told this either, because it's just one of them things that people love to miss out, but it's like the most important aspect. But this specific topic, or this part of business, this helps you scale in the future, really track how much you're making, what you can do to profit more or benefit your business in the future in general. So let's get into this video. I'm going to show you guys how you can start doing this and make it a habit for yourself. Let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see, we've got the screen recording up here, and we have started a blank, fresh new sheet with Sheets, Google Sheets. You guys can search this up, but you can check on the Play Store if you're on phone. So we're going to be covering the sales tracker first. So what you want to do, you can see we've got all these columns at the top, and then we've got these numbers here. So in the top column, we're going to run to write the product that we sold, product, buyer, sold for, fees, shipping, cost price, profit, date, status, payment type, and notes on the order. So we're going to dive into each of those and what they mean. The product is what we sell, the buyer, who bought it, how much we sold it for, any fees, any platform fees that incurred during this sale, shipping price, if you guys have bought a label or something like that, cost price, how much you bought that item for, and the profit, what you've made. So we're going to take the cost price away from the sold for price, which is the revenue, and that's going to give us a profit, and the shipping and fees. The date we sold it, the status of the sale, so whether it's that the sale's completed, it's been posted, or you know what I mean, create statuses for the actual sale, so you know what process you're in. Got the payment type, so if that's cash, bank transfer, anything like that. And then notes on the sale, any extra notes. So alright, cool, let me make an example for you lots now. So product, let's say we've got a pair of white Air Forces and we sell it for, make an example price to say 60. No, we're gonna put white Air Forces, white Air 1, put the size 8. We'll go to the buyer. Let's see, the buyer's name is Jordan, and I've got him off. I've also forgot to add platform. So one thing we do want to put is platform in there. We'll put platform here, and then we'll put the notes there. I bugged out, sorry guys about that. So yeah, so let's say we've met him off Facebook Marketplace, put that there, and we sold the Air Forces for £60. We have no fees, but let's say you had a fee like the cost of you getting to the actual place. Let's say you went to go meet him somewhere, any travel expenses, or if you sold on like eBay and they take like a certain percent for you promoting the product, you put it there, things like that. So the fee is basically any expense that's not the shipping and to do with the actual product. So buying a product, you know what I mean? So like if you were to buy a parcel bag at the post office or something like that, ship packaging. So shipping free, since it didn't cost us anything to post. And then the cost price, let's say we paid 45 for the Air Forces. That means we've profited. We've had no expenses besides the actual cost price of the shoe. So 60 what we sold for, and the cost price was 45. That means we've made 15. The date we've sold it on, what's the date today? 17th of August. So we'll just put the date there. Date 26. Status, say it's complete, we put complete. Payment type, cash, and notes. Notes is overcomplicating it. There's no notes that I need to put, I'm just complicating it here. But what we can also do, if you guys want to make it a bit more creative, you guys want to be a bit more colorful, you can put complete, and we'll put that in green. Cash, you don't need to do anything with that. And yeah, so that's how you would write the sales part of things. So each sale you get, you just do it like that, and you'd be able to track how much profit you've made over a certain time, because the dates are here, how much revenue, whether your expenses are getting too much, what you're selling most on, what product you're most selling, you're able to see all of that. So that is for the sales part of it. Now let's get into the cash flow. Alright, so as you guys can see, we've now got the cash flow sheet sorted. So we've got the date here, the date of any transaction, the type of transaction that'll be in or out, the amount of the transaction, the reason for it, your running total after that transaction has taken place, so the amount in your account, the bank. So if you have like a separate bank for your business or whatever, you're going to put this here just to clarify. I mean, you don't need to have that section, to be honest, because it's all going to be the same bank, but you might just want to have it there. So any clarity, I don't know. So let's say we're going to continue from last sale. So let's say date, we got the same date here, 17th of August 26. We got the type. I'm going to put in because we received that cash from Jordan, and now we're going to go deposit in our account. So we received 60 cash from Jordan, which we've deposited. We'll put reason, order, deposit. If you guys have like order numbers or something like that, you write down an order number with each thing. If you guys want to do that, you can do that in your sales tracker, and that way you'll be able to put, instead of just order, you can put like, for example, 01 deposit, and you'll know what order it is. So let's just put order deposit, running total. Let's say we've had 0 in our bank. You can put 60 because now we have 60. Bank, let's just say we don't need to put a bank, but whatever bank you're using, let's just say Monzo. Notes, buyer paid cash, I deposited. And that's exactly how you do it. Now for an out transaction, let's say we had some sort of fee that we wanted to reinvest at £60. We'll put 70, 08, 26. We'll put out. Or let's think of something more realistic. Let's say we wanted to promote a listing that we've got on Facebook, on whatever platform we're selling. Let's say we'll put £5, so that's the amount. Reason, I'll put promotion, promo fee, running total. Then after that means we'll have 55 in our bank, Monzo, and then we don't really need to put anything here, but we can just put promotion on. We'll just put platform, whatever platform you promoted it on, and it costs this much. So we can also do, since we got creative in the last one, we could put in as green, and we can put the out transactions as red. So that's pretty much how you do the a cash flow sheet. You've got the date, the type, amount. Now it already has this on your bank, but sometimes your bank can be confusing, and you're gonna want to be able to track your orders separately and all of that. So it's just good to have one of these there, and it makes it that extra step. Whenever you want to purchase something or something, you got to think about it just a bit more, because now you're going to have to put down this, and it gets you in the discipline of accounting, and it's pretty handy just to have there a cash flow sheet, figure out what most expenses are being taken, what's the most expense, all of that type of stuff. So let's move on next. Now we've got the balance sheet. Alright, cool. So now we've got the balance sheet, as you can see, pretty simple, nothing too complicated. So I'm gonna cover this one quickly. So we've got last updated. We're gonna put the date whenever we've last updated this. You don't have to put it every day, but just have this part here so you know when you did last update it, and you know whether it's accurate for the time being. So Monzo, let's say now we have 55 after that last expense from Jordan. The hell's going on here? Got that, so that means the total cash that we have 55. Now you can write down all banks that are connected. You can even have a cash section here, so you know how much cash you have, just all of that, and then that's total cash. So under here we can write all our assets. So let's say we have 6 more pairs of Air Forces, or let's just say 10. And we sold them for 60 each. So let's say 10 AF1s. And then you put a thing like that, 60. That means we have 600 worth of Air Forces. Let's say we have 5 pairs of Nike skis, and we sold them for 30 each, you can see. And what the hell is going on here? Like, 600, we could go, say 5 times 30, so what's 5? That means we have 150 worth of Nike skis. 150, and then we put the total asset amount here. So let's see, we have 600 worth of Air Forces and 150 worth of Nike skis. That means you have 750 in total. And then expenses, any expense you have, you just want to put down here. I don't know why it keeps doing that. It keeps deleting it. It's annoying. But we'll put let's say we have phone bill, got to pay for data or something like that, and let's just say that it's 30 a month. That means we have 30 to pay, and that's pretty much it. So right here we've got, oh yeah, and we'll put total net or total, that how much you have there. You can put assets plus cash, and then this way you can put the total amount. So we have 55 plus 750, that means we have 805 in total. That means our business is worth £805. And the expenses is 30, so we're going to write down the profit. Obviously we take away the expense from what we have, and that will make it, do some quick maths, 30, 75, that means we have 7. Wait, what the hell, 775, and that is how you do a balance sheet. So any money owed, any assets, it will all go in here. Anything you actually have just now, it will go in here, and then put total expenses, and that's how you do it. It's pretty simple, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do this because this is something that a lot of people won't tell you, and it's one of the things that you actually have to look into when having a business. So it's important that I show you guys this. It helps you really just keep track of everything that's going on, and yeah, pretty much it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys can take this in. I'm going to be releasing more videos like this. Any other videos you guys haven't seen, go check out my channel. And thank you for subscribing. Like, share, comment. Peace.